ताकि कसम अपनी माँ के जनाजे पे जा रहा हूँ। What is this joke already? I am reading and seeing the TV that what is going to hear. That's why I don't know all this examiner. But unfortunately, I am going to run my mother's funeral. That's why I got that ticket on the way. No, I don't know about it. I am not. I want to see the captain too. No, get it down, get it down. I want to know why that delay there. I am going to attend my mother's funeral. They get a body there, so that is why are the board of sender without the wrong document? No, I want to see the captain please now. Why? My right to see the captain. I have right to see the captain. I have right, man. I swear to my right on the whole airport tomorrow. What's your name? Right?